there is minor changes here, which what कि अपनी जो ये sheet है, ये ठीक है, तो you have to do that कि you have यहाँ पे आपको first name, last name, email and personal LinkedIn website मिल गया, okay? Then you have to delete everything, ठीक है?
Okay.
To delete everything like this. Okay. Then you create one column left or right, and create one column left here. Okay. Then you have to VLOOKUP, right? Use VLOOKUP. Okay. And here you have only put it here email, right?
Yes.
Right. You have to only put it here email. So now you have not only put it here email, you have to put it here email or Apollo ID also. This one. Right? Just copy and put it here at the same time. Okay. Apollo ID and email. Okay. So what is the process? After that, you just importing this data, right? You just starting 15 लिए थे मैंने, मैं डाल देता हूँ, ठीक है? कहाँ तक लिया था? अभी तक. Okay. So you just for that Apollo ID, ठीक है? Just VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. You have to doing this all 1 lakh data at a time, right? Just put it here and like this, comma 1, comma 0. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. I have here just VLOOKUP from this, comma this to this, comma 2, comma 0. So here is your Apollo ID, right? So all columns are there, first name, last name. Yeah, you have to also full name. So you just concatenate, right? Concatenate from this to this. So here with a space, sorry, is equal to concatenate this, comma, space, comma, this, right? So here is your full name, right? Full name. So here is your all data, first name, last name, full name, email, personal LinkedIn, Apollo ID and website, which I have mentioned here. Okay. Right? I mentioned here, need these columns. Okay.
Got it.
After that, you have a data which is verified email with Apollo ID. Now, the third part where you just open the server which I send you, which is Apollo 2. Sorry, not this one, which is Apollo. This server I will send you for this uploading process, right?
Okay.
You just open this server. Right? After open this server, you just add this sheet. Add the sheet, download, no, just copy the sheet and open here in the server. It's not accessible. Escape. Okay, so this is the sheet. Okay, now you have to download the sheet. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. After downloading, you have to mention the sheet name, which is different. So what the sheet name, I just put in the sample sheet. So you just know the name. So the name is Project Unified Data, right?
Okay.
Just copy this name. So always we want this name. So I just put the name here. So you just know this is the need column and this is the name of the sheet name. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I just change the sheet name. After downloading this sheet will rename this. Okay. After rename this, rename this. So this is already here. So just delete the first. Just rename again, right? After rename this, you just copy this sheet. Okay. Wait a minute. Supply. Just easy for you. I just change here the another one. Delete this one. Okay. So what you have to do, you just rename this and then you cut it here. Control X, right? Go to the documents, GitHub, Apollo Buster, assets, and here is Superbase. In Superbase, you just go to the filter and paste it here. So this will replace the current sheet, right? So this sheet will replace from here. Now you go to the VS Code, right? Come in here, go to the main.py and just run the server. When you have to run this server, you show the option here. Do you want to? So you just click on N, right? After N, you just go to the process of L. Get API email from server. You just show this L, right? You just click on L. You have an option post email, right? So you have a data, you just post it here. So you just click on 1, right? When you have click on 1, here is showing CSV missing column. Okay. If the team will change the sheet name column, just say what I see, I just change the rename from my end. That's why the sheet not acceptable. So what can I do first? I just put the column, these, right? So give me a minute. So this data will accept the column name in small letter. So I'm changing the name first, which you have to put. Headers, which is these, first name, email, LinkedIn. First name, email, LinkedIn, website, and Apollo ID. Website, organization website, and ID. ID means ID. Right? Side and ID. Okay. So first name, last name, name, email. I just rearrange the sheet. Rearrange first name, last name, full name, email, LinkedIn, website, and ID. Website and ID. And then I'm deleting this one, right? Because we want this, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just copy this and replace the name, first name, last name, name, email, LinkedIn, website, or ID. Okay. And then I'm go to the server. I'm just download this CSV. In the same process, copy this and go to the downloads and rename the sheet. Okay. ये कॉपी नहीं हुआ, यहीं से कॉपी कर लेता हूँ आपके से. ठीक है. And then again I just cut it here, go to the documents, GitHub, Apollo Buster, assets, Superbase, filter, and then replace the sheet. Right? After replacing the sheet, then again I am do the same process. Run the server, N, L, and then 1. So when you click 1, क्या हो रहा है? File error occurred, CSV missing required column. Wait. First name, last name, email, LinkedIn, organization, website, and ID. So person ID, first name, last name, email, and then website URL. What I'm missing? Website URL, LinkedIn URL, ID. You see what I missed here? First name, last name, email, LinkedIn, website URL. Everything is here. What is the issue? Something I missed here. What is that issue?
पूछ रहा है कितना हो पाएगा.
So you see the cycle? Yeah. So suddenly, actually, incidentally, I have changing the link. I have changing the LinkedIn spelling is wrong. You know? So I just put it here right. Okay. Put it here in it also.
Just put it in sheet.
Just see it. Yeah. Right. So this is the correct version, right?
Okay.
Okay. So when you have just go to the server, right?
Mm-hmm.
So where is server? Here is server, right? In the server, you just put it here the sheet. Just download the sheet. Okay. When you have download, I'm just doing again. Just you have to download the sheet, right?
Yeah.
After downloading, go to the download section. Download. So you have to rename the sheet name. So where you rename, here the name that you have to sheet, change the name sheet. Just rename the sheet. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then you cut it here and go to the document folder, GitHub, Apollo Buster, assets. In assets, you show the Supabase. Here you show the filtered sheet,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
In the filter, you just put it here. So just automatically replace the sheet. After replacing the sheet, you just go to the VS Code, right?
Mm-hmm.
Go to the VS Code, run, put it here N, right? After N, go to the L.
Mm-hmm.
Here you post email, just click on 1.
Mm-hmm.
When you have put it here 1, you're showing here post 10 email. So just know that yes, your sheet is correctly, you are doing a right
Uploaded.
thing. If here is showing another number, you just wrong, something went wrong, so just change this, right?
Okay.
And also you have make sure you just put N and then go to L. You don't put any other of this. If you do any other of this, you change the sheet.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So you make sure that go to N, L, and then 1. So here is showing posted 1 status 200. Here is showing status 200, then it's successfully added. If here is showing another status like 401, 206, so there is any issue, so you just put it text in WhatsApp. I'm checking this on time.
Sorry. Tell me again.
Here is showing status 200.
Yes.
Right? If the status is changed, like here is showing 201, 202, 401. So status 200 is the right thing.
Okay.
If showing 200 status, there is data successfully added. If here is showing another thing, you just need to worry about that. You just put it the screenshot on the WhatsApp and I am checking again. Right?
Okay. Fine. Okay, got it.
So the meeting will going long. That's